You boys didn't think I'd do this. I was serious when I said let's go ride. It's a beautiful day. Sun is shining. It's 2 degrees. I mean, 2 degrees is still a positive side of heat. There's no point in saying no to good time. Shit. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Well, here, wait a minute. It won't be like riding if I don't go off-road. So, here, I'm off-road just for you, Cody. Having a good time here. Yep, I went off-road. Let's see. Let's go down here. Yeah. It's a beautiful morning. Do 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 do. You guys probably wouldn't do this, but that's all right. Would have been a good day to meet up at Deepwater. Go for a ride some trails, break out the old scooters and have fun, family video, memories, just an all-around good time. But I'm not so sure you guys can handle that. Just don't think you can. Yep, it's a good day for me. I got out and rode. Got a little snow on the ground. Good times, good times. Well, Michael, you can have your donuts. Cody, you can, hang out there with the kids. GoPro, stop recording.